So hello everyone. Today we will learn the class and object in a Python. So let's start. Class. A class is a blueprint of object. In class contains the bunch of details like functions and variables. Yeah, this is truth. Like we can contain the bunch of details like functions and variables. We already learned the functions. In that we learn the variables also, like local variables and global variables. Similar way, in this class we can contain that one, right? So object, an object is called as instance of a class. We can create the multiple object in a class. So we are having the one example, like we are having one car. So in that car we can make a multiple objects. So like you also have car, me also have car, but which car? Car name. So car name is not similar. You like different car, I like different car. So this way we can make a different objects. But car, it means class is same, right? So this is the same they are telling, like we can create multiple objects in a class. So next, let's start the coding. So we can create a one class like this class bike. We can take a bike example. In this bike we are having the name. Okay, we will take a blank name and we are having the gear starting with the 0. So this is one bike and I take a new bike. So I will write here print like my new bike, that's all. Okay, this is a class we will mention, and after that we can create a one object. So let's start. So obj1, I'm taking one variable obj1 and I type here like bike. So this is our instance we already created. So in this object we give the name of the bike. Okay, because I take a new bike, so we will give the name obj1 dot name, and this name is mountain bike. If you are a cycler, then you know the mountain bike. What is the meaning of mountain bike? So this is my mountain bike, and second is gear. This mountain bike having the 7 gears. So we can give the obj1 dot gears is equals to 7. So simple. Okay, so we can print this one like using print and obj1 dot name, and similar way print obj1 dot gear. So simple. Okay, we can hit here like python main.py. So here showing us result like my new bike, mountain bike, and gear is 7. So this is nice. And if I want to change my gears, we can change, but we can't change the bike name. Okay, this is mountain, only mountain I mention here. So it's very you understanding. So I will change my gears. I can change, go to the market and I take one more gear. So I take a one gear more. So I will do here like obj1 dot gear is equals to plus 1 only. That's it. Okay, assessment operator I used here. So again I will print here like so simple, and we can check here what is my new gear like this mountain bike 7 first After that 8 is happens because I take a one more gear from the market. So this is my new bike. I want to check with my old bike. So I will do here like print my old bike. So simple. And we can create a new object for that. Obj2 is equals to bike, same class we will take, and here we will type obj2 and name of that bike is mountain hybrid. We can take simply, and we can give here gears, only two gears, obj2 dot gear is equals to 2, only 2, not more than, because this is old bike now, that's why, and new bike having the 7 gears, so only 2 gears. And we can print this one, print obj2 dot name, and copy and paste here, and we can print here like gear. So simple, and we can check here like python main.py and check. Yeah, here is the mountain bike first and here is the hybrid bike first. Here is new bike, old bike, and old bike having the 2 gears only. So this is a simple way to create a multiple objects of the one single class. So we are having the bike, okay, bike as a class, and we are having the multiple objects. So this is the one syntax, one instance we created object 1, and this is second we created the object 2. I think so little bit you understand. So we can check the in the next videos more details using the functions. How can we use the functions in a class, how can we do the inheritance, polymorphism. So keep practicing and keep enjoying to this portion. So subscribe my channel and do like. Thanks for watching.